cat. Go to the front porch. Get it up there. Go to the front porch. Whew. It's amazing. Didn't expect this much. There's a flat shovel out there somewhere. Woo. All right, I'm gonna